Hi, it's Natasha. Get red lipstick ready with me. I want to introduce you my I Need a Rouge lip stiletto. And the reason I call it lip stiletto is it reminded me of an elegant, a slim stiletto heel. For this red lip swatch video, I invited Gigi. Red lipsticks are very intimidating of how to use, sometimes very much struggle with precision, especially when the bullet is very thick. A standard bullet is, for example, 12 millimeters, and this component has a bullet of only 6 millimeters diameter. This is super slim and gives you full precision in one stroke. They come in two classic red shades. One is Amelia, which is a cool toned classic cherry red, and the other one a ribbon red that is a warmer orange toned, and it's called Gigi, like her. We're going to apply only the lipstick in this video for you guys to see how easy it is to apply it. So I'm gonna apply the shade Amelia. Gigi. Shade Gigi. Okay. How do you find it, Gigi?
Wow, it's amazing. Natasha, but it's also correct to use this part on the back to fix like the border and tip on the back.
Yeah, you can twist and turn. Okay. Use this part if you want to go for more precision, if you want to fill in little gaps. It's actually a good question because the bullet won't get round, because each time when you twist it back, you will apply, it will again have the same shape.
Reshape it by himself.
Yes, because the component has the same exact shape of the bullet. Thank you, Gigi, for being with me in this video. It means so much to me because you're a true red lipstick lover. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you.